So this is a bit of a shock. Probably one of the biggest and most surprising events yet to unfold is Bimota have done a H2. That is a Kawasaki H2 with wings and a TESI 3D style hub center front swing arm. I mean, there have been rumours abound for a little while that Kawasaki are eyeing up Bimota, looking to swoop in and purchase the company. That, well, let's face it, they've had their fair share of financial troubles and woes over the years, and that sort of continues. And there's a lot of chatter that Kawasaki are going to be buying them out. We've just seen that Kawasaki have actually shared a picture of this bike on their own social media channel, which kind of sort of confirms it in my mind. So this is the Bimota TESI H2. Like, the H2 is not bonkers enough. Give it to some crazy Italians and they will make it a little bit more bonkers. It's got a weird rear shock setup, twin rear shock absorbers, twin electronically adjusted Ohlins rear shock absorbers in there. I've not seen that before. Lightweight Oz racing wheels. This, oddly, is not carbon fibre. You'd expect it to be, but it's actually not. It's just kind of like a plastic that's been hydro-dipped to look like carbon fibre.